In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Mac computer, any models, to your Canon Pixma TS7720. I'll show you how to print and also how to get the scan results from here directly on your Mac computer using Wi-Fi. So the first step of all of this is to go on your Canon printer and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as the one as your Mac computer is currently connected to. So to do this, we need to go on the display here. Press the home screen if you're not already on the home screen. And then select the settings icon. Select printer settings. Select LAN settings. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap on Wi-Fi setup. Tap on manual connect. It will search for your Wi-Fi network. So be patient. It takes just around 10 seconds. You're gonna have all the Wi-Fi network around the printer. So you can scroll up and down and find your Wi-Fi. This is mine. So I'll simply tap on it. Here you're gonna select use multiple routers. And now it's time to enter the password of your Wi-Fi network. So you're gonna tap here. And now it's a bit complicated. They didn't include a keyboard the way that you have on your smartphone. What you have to do, let's say I want to type the letter R. Well, R is over here. I'll have to tap this button a few times until R is presented to me. And then I'll go to the next letter. Let's say it's K. Okay, and you get the idea. That's how you can type. By pressing the lower left side, you can switch to numbers if you have numbers in your password. And if you want capital letters, you need to press the shift button and it will switch to capital letters instead. So go ahead and type your password. You're gonna then press OK and then OK again. Wait a few seconds until the printer connects to your Wi-Fi. And you're gonna get connected to wireless router. On the Mac computer, you're gonna click on the Apple logo and then you're gonna select System Settings. On the left menu, you're gonna go all the way down and select Printer and Scanners. Then go all the way down on the right side menu and select Printer, Scanner, or Fax. If you see this display, you simply have to enter the name, the username of your Mac and the password of your Mac. Then on this page, you're going to select your Canon printer. Make sure it's selected in blue. And then you're going to select, you're going to click on the Add button. And the printer will be added without you having to install any drivers or any apps. Now the Canon printer has been connected to your Mac. Let me show you how to scan first and then I will show you how to print. So to scan, we're going to go over here on the top of the printer. We're going to open the scan lid and we're going to place the document facing down with the top part of the document towards the left side, like that. And now we have to bring the document towards the top left corner of the scanner. Okay, so that this corner of the paper touches this corner of the scanner. Close the lid. And on your Mac, on this page, we're gonna find our Canon printer. Here it is, Canon TS7720 series. Click on it and then click on Open Scanners. Click on Canon TS7720 series and wait. It will give you a preview of what's on the scanner. This will not be saved on your Mac yet. So we have a few options. Select if you want the scan to be in color or black and white. Select the resolution. If you're scanning a picture, a higher DPI, a higher number here will give you more details. The downside is that it will take more time to scan and also the file will be quite larger. If you're simply scanning text or any documents you want to share on social media, 200 DPI is enough. Then we have the size of the paper you have input on your scanner. You can choose whatever you have put there. You have scan to, so choose which folder on your Mac you want the results to go in. Then we have name, where you can give this name a custom name. So let's say school project 5. All right. And then the format. If you're going to combine multiple pages into one single PDF file, if this is what you want to do, select PDF. Make sure that combine into single document is checked. And after you press the scan button over here, you're going to go ahead, remove this page, put the next one, go back over here and press scan. Do not change the name. And if you don't change the name and PDF and combine into single document are selected, the next page will go directly in that document. So you can have a document with 100 pages if you want. Anyway, in my case, I'll just keep it simple and press the scan button. At 200 dpi, it usually takes 12 seconds to get the result on your Macs. And you're going to see it appearing over here because this is my desktop as soon as it is saved. Here we go. Now I can open it, look at it, zoom, make sure everything looks great. Yeah, perfect. And this is about it. If you want to print a document, let me just exit here. Open the file that you wish to print. So it could be a PDF, could be a picture, could be a web page if this is what you wish. In my case, I want to print this over there. You're going to go and open, you're going to click on File and select Print. Under Printer, make sure the Canon TS7720 series is the one that you have selected. And then down below, I mean, there's a few things you can change. So the page you want to print, the number of copies, stuff like that. But one important thing that not many people are aware is that you have media and quality. If you click here and you select quality, by default, it will be normal. But every time you're printing pictures, I suggest you go here and select best. This will give you better results if in case you have fine details on your picture. If you're simply printing a document like a text file, a form, stuff like that, keep it to normal. You don't have to go down below and, change that. At the end, press the print button. And as you see, the Canon printer has received. Open the paper output. And the result should be out in around 13 seconds. And here we go. This is the result. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and you want to support my channel, take a moment and check the Amazon links I have put in the description down below. This is where you're going to find links toward the exact replacement ink cartridges for this TS7720, some paper for your printer, photo paper, plain paper, okay? Every time you purchase through my links, I get a small commission and it helps my channel going. Have a nice day. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.